Hey everyone. Welcome back to Good Health. If you're looking for a delicious way to boost your health, today's video is for you. We're talking about sweet potatoes. These colorful root vegetables aren't just tasty, they're packed with incredible health benefits you don't want to miss. From weight management to improving your skin, sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse. So what's so special about sweet potatoes? Well, they're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them one of the healthiest carbs you can eat. Plus, they're naturally sweet, no sugar needed. Benefit number 1: great for eye health. First up, sweet potatoes are amazing for your eyes. They're rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in your body, an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy vision. Just one medium sweet potato gives you over 100% of your daily vitamin A needs. Benefit number 2: supports immune function. Next, let's talk about your immune system. Sweet potatoes are full of antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which helps protect your body from illness and infection. That means a regular serving of sweet potatoes can help keep your immune system strong all year round. Benefit number 3: helps with digestion. Struggling with digestion? Sweet potatoes can help with that too. Their high fiber content aids digestion and keeps things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. They're perfect for keeping your gut happy and healthy. Benefit number 4: promotes healthy skin. Want glowing skin? Sweet potatoes to the rescue. Thanks to their high levels of vitamin A and antioxidants, they help repair skin cells and combat free radicals that cause aging. So, eating sweet potatoes regularly can actually help improve your skin's appearance. Benefit number 5: great for weight management. Finally, if you're watching your weight, sweet potatoes are a great choice. They're low in calories but high in nutrients, and the fiber helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Healthy, satisfying, and delicious. What more could you ask for? So there you have it. Sweet potatoes are not just a tasty side dish, they're packed with incredible benefits for your eyes, skin, digestion, immune system, and even weight management. If you're not already adding them to your meals, now's the time to start. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more healthy tips and recipes. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite way to eat sweet potatoes?